All the leaves are falling. Fall is here. Wow, that's a big pile of leaves. What, are the leaves moving? What's happening? Oh, it's you, Willow. Come out of those leaves. What's wrong, Willow? Oh, it's fall, and that means your peas, cucumbers, and tomatoes will stop growing. You're going to be hungry, Willow. What are you going to do now? Oh, Willow, look. Food. Sammy the squirrel is enjoying the acorns from the oak tree. Can you eat some of those? No. So what can you eat that grows in your garden during the fall? Did Carrie the Cardinal have a suggestion, Willow? Oh, she said that the days are getting shorter and colder, so you can't plant any more peas. They're too delicate. But Carrie says you can still grow kale and pumpkins. That's a great suggestion, Carrie. Pumpkins have a hard shell so they can survive the cold and wind, and kale leaves are strong and bend in the wind. Ooh, Willow, the kale and pumpkins are going to be delicious. I can't wait to try a recipe with them. Oh, Willow, what's happening to the kale leaves? It looks like someone else is hungry. Where are you taking that beetle, Willow? Oh, you found the beetle some other food so your kale leaves can keep growing. Smart thinking, Willow. Whoa, Willow, your vegetables have grown bigger and bigger since I last saw them. Willow, you have a beautiful fall garden. You take such good care of everything you grow. Look, Willow, you did it. You can harvest now. The kale and pumpkins are ready to eat. Ah, Willow, you're so silly. What are you going to do with all that kale and pumpkins? Hey kids, Willow wants you to make her delicious kale salad and roasted pumpkin. Get your mommy or daddy to see the ingredients you need, then you can all make Willow's fall recipes together as a family.